Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I rise to second the motion on the limitation of debate on individual members' bills. Of course, Honorable Speaker, since it came to the order paper, I have been keen enough to ask the Deputy Majority Leader why the huge difference between those sponsored by government and the individual motions and bills, Honorable Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, I must say that this is where efficiency in terms of use of time will be measured, especially on the bills that are sponsored by members. And Honorable Speaker, I want to say that I support this because this will actually ensure that the short period of time that is given for the prosecution of private members' bills is utilized and is shared equally so that we can be able to move more motions and more bills that are sponsored by private members. I must say, Honorable Speaker, this is a very progressive provision, and 3 hours, Honorable Speaker, quite frankly speaking, is adequate for someone who has actually known what they want to move, the intention, and actually put their thoughts together so they can be able to move this motion. Honorable Speaker, it is also very interesting, and I have seen the ultimate importance of the leadership of the House. Honorable Speaker, that the majority and the minority and the committee chair still get a lot of more time than anyone else, even in a private member's sponsored bill. And Honorable Speaker, I must say that when I grow older, I must make sure that I am also a leader of majority or a committee chair so that I can be able to enjoy the ultimate importance of those particular positions. I support this motion, Honorable Speaker, and I ask the honorable members to be able to support it so that we can be able to have adequate time to share the little time that is available for us to move private members' bills in this House. I support, Honorable Speaker. I second.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 97.1, this House orders that